Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this. And then I actually said there was another way to do it. So let's move that out of the way, and let's make a duplicate of it and move it out of the way. Now, you can see it's broken apart, so we need to grab it all, go up to Object and break the curve apart, and it turns it all black. And that's really good. We're gonna make it yellow on everything and actually make sure it's grouped together. And then we're going to move it in front of that and go back minus front. That made a cavity for my other logo. So the other way works just as good. They've got her rectangle or their drawing tool set on black fill, but you get the same result. So it's another, in case that, smart fill didn't work, if there was a leak in one of these lines, you could always use that scenario. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.